This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites and taking immediate action. Confirm the metal client matches the server build and back up the setup and log folder now. Once done, make sure you have an administrator account and local connectivity to 127.0.0.1 at the correct port so permissions won't block writes. You'll avoid wasted troubleshooting later. You're preparing the environment deliberately, so the next steps actually change the log, instead of chasing faults. You now repair the configuration that controls Metal's logging. Open the config, JSON or settings. Ini and note values before you edit anything, because you may need to revert. Once done, compare the log file path, file permissions, and rotation settings to expected defaults. Incorrect paths or bad rotation can silently drop entries. Make sure to fix malformed JSON or typos and normalize path separators so the service can open the file reliably. Then restart the service You finish by validating that logging works end-to-end. Restart the Metal process and monitor the live log. Once you see new entries, run a short test flow that produces predictable log lines to confirm consistency. Make sure to let the system run a minute so rotation and flushing complete. If you don't see entries, check file permissions, available disk space, and whether another process holds the file lock. These are the most common final blockers and easy to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.